Good morning, everybody. I am going to work with you on a new concept in math. You already know how to round to the nearest 10 in a two-digit number. You already know how to round to the nearest 100 in a three-digit number. So we're going to combine that, and I'm going to teach you how to round to the nearest 10 in a three-digit number. A couple things I want you to follow along with me. Some of it's new, some of it's not new. When you round to the nearest 10 in a three-digit number, don't change the digit in the hundreds place. It will stay the same most of the time. So at first, I want you to ignore or cover up the digit in the hundreds place, since that's not going to change most of the time. Just pretend that it's not there so you can focus on the tens place. The second thing is just round to the nearest tens place like you usually do. And then when you are done rounding to the nearest 10, number 3 says, don't forget to write the digit in the hundreds place back in front of the numbers on both sides. So we're going to practice that. So on my screen, you can see I have the number 265. If you remember, when we round to the nearest tens place, we start with reading the number 265. I thought I said to ignore or cover up the digit in the hundreds place. So I'm just going to ignore that 200 and I'm going to focus on the 65. Now, as we've done in the past, when you're rounding to the nearest tens place, we're going to circle the digit in the tens place. Remember, I'm ignoring that 200 right now. So if I just say 65, what's the first thing I hear? 60. So I'm going to try to make a 6 here. That's not too bad. So 65 is between 60 and, if I come over here, 70. 65 is between 60 and 70. Remember, oh, that's pretty scary looking, but you can tell it's a 0. Remember, 65, we're rounding it to their nearest tens place. We're ignoring that 200 right now. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a dot under the 5, under the ones place. Now remember, when we drew our hill, that if it's 5 or higher, we're going to go up because higher means to go up. If it's 4 or less, we're going to go to the lower number because less means lower. So 5 or greater, we're going to go to the bigger number, which is 70. But wait a second, my number is 265. So here's where you go back and you add in that digit in the hundreds place. Doesn't change. 65 is between 60 and 70. The 5 is greater, so we go up to 70. So 265 is rounded to 270. All right, let's see if we can do another one.